Hello students, Hemant Sir is here. So in previous video we have already discussed about the work and energy. So let a quick review about the work and energy. So what is energy basically? It is the capacity of doing work. The capacity of doing work is called as energy. And what is work now? So work is nothing but the product of the applied force and the displacement takes place in an object. That the product of displacement and applied force is nothing but the work done. Another way we can define the work as if any force is applied on an object and the displacement takes place, then it is said to be work. Okay. So today we are going to understand the types of work. Okay. And we will derive one more formula for the work done. Okay. So it is based on the trigonometric ratio. We will use one of the trigonometric ratio among 6. Okay. So let's understand the type of work with the help of diagram. Okay. So suppose this is the surface. This is the surface and one of the object is kept here. This is object. And object is tied with the string. This is the string. See, this string is applied force in right direction on x-axis. If we will apply force in this action, okay, or in this direction, then what will happen? Okay, so see, if we will say the angle formed between x-axis and the direction of force is of 0 degree. Is of 0 degree. But if, see, it is one of the condition. When force is applied according to the, or we can say the direction of the x-axis, then the angle formed between x-axis and the direction of applied force is of 0 degree. Another, if, this is the first thing, if we will apply force in this direction, that means it is perpendicular to the x-axis. So here we have to write 90 degree. See, if we want to push the object in forward direction by applying force in reverse direction, that means this is the direction of the applied force, or we can say displacement, and it is the direction of applied force. That is, here the value of angle is of 180 degree. 180 degree. See, if we can draw triangle from here, so here this is nothing but the base and this is the height. This is the height. Okay, and here this 90 angle triangle, 19 angle is formed. If we can draw this line, here we are getting the triangle. Okay, so the relation between opposite side of the angle, we are discussing about this angle. Okay, so if this is the angle called theta, then this is nothing but the opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. So this angle is formed between adjacent side and hypotenuse. So it is relation shown by the cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. If this angle is of 0 degree, then the value of theta will become cos theta. Of theta is of 0 degree, so we can write 0 degree. Here we can write cos 90 degree. Here we can write cos 180 degree. It is 180 degree. Okay. Now the value of cos theta is 1. The value of cos theta is 1. Value of 90 degree. The value of cos 0 degree is 1. Value of cos 90 degree is 0. And value of cos 180 degree is minus 1. Okay, so now we will relate all these things with the formula that we have derived in our previous video, which is the work done formula. What is work done formula? Work done, that means W equals to force into displacement. Force into displacement. For the different angles we can write W equals to force is F and displacement is S. So here we are taking angle for theta, we can write Fs cos theta. This is one of the formula for work done. If theta is equals to 0 degree, then cos theta is 1. So we can write W equals to F into S into cos 0 degree. So cos 0 degree means 1. Therefore W equals to F into S into 1. Therefore W equals to Fs. W equals to Fs. See, here the magnitude of work done is positive. Here we can say magnitude of work done is positive. So we can say that if the force is applied on the object which is into the direction of movement, then the angle found between the force of direction and x-axis is of 0 degree. Then we can say work done is positive. अगर मैंने क्या किया, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को इस डायरेक्शन से अगर मैं फोर्स लगा रहा हूं, सी दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वी आर अप्लाइंग फोर्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन, तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स किधर है? टुवर्ड्स द फ्रंट साइड, and the movement of direction of the object is again same side of the force. That means यहाँ पर जो वर्क डन होगा कैसा होगा? पॉजिटिव वर्क डन होगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट कंडीशन फॉर cos 90 degree. See formula we have W equals to Fs into cos theta. Fs cos theta. So if theta equals to of 90 degree, then work done equals to F into S into cos 90 degree. So cos 90 degree is 0. Therefore W equals to F into S into 0. So W equals to Fs into 0 is 0. If we will apply force in the 90 degree angle of the force, see, इसका मूवमेंट इस साइड में होना चाहिए, और अगर हम फोर्स इस साइड में लगाएंगे तो ऑब्जेक्ट में मूवमेंट ही नहीं होगा. दैट मीन्स नो वर्क विल बी डन. दैट्स व्हाई W is came 0 here. Okay, W is came 0. W is came 0 here. Okay, now next condition we will solve over here. Okay, third condition. This is the first condition, this is second condition, and this is third condition. For third condition, if theta equals to 180 degree, जब थीटा की वैल्यू 180 डिग्री होगी तब क्या होगा? So we know work done equals to F into S into cos theta. So theta is of 180 degree. Therefore W equals to F into S into cos 180 degree. Therefore W equals to F into S into cos 180 degree is -1. So we have to write here -1. So W equals to, if we will multiply all this number, the sign will become negative. So negative F into S. See, work done का मैग्नीट्यूड यहाँ पर कैसा है? नेगेटिव आया है. Okay, so we can say that if we want to push the object in this direction, like suppose this is the object, and if we are applying force in this direction, then object will move in this direction. If suppose this surface is like this, surface कैसा है? बिल्कुल टिल्ट. So क्या होगा? अगर हम इसको फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे, सो ऑब्जेक्ट किधर आएगा? नीचे की डायरेक्शन की तरफ आएगा. सी, मैं फोर्स लगा रहा हूं इस डायरेक्शन में और मूवमेंट हो रहा है अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर डायरेक्शन ऑफ अप्लाइड फोर्स एंड मोशन और डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा है? 180 डिग्री ऊपर है. दैट्स व्हाई 180 डिग्री की वैल्यू हमने -1 यहाँ पर प्लेस किया है और वर्क डन कैसा है, नेगेटिव आया है। अगर हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को पुश कर रहे हैं फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में और उसका मूवमेंट हो रहा है बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में, देन वी विल से द वर्क डन इज नेगेटिव। वर्क डन कैसा होगा, नेगेटिव होगा। ओके, सो दिस इज द वे वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द टाइप ऑफ वर्क विच इज पॉजिटिव वर्क डन, नेगेटिव वर्क डन or the zero work done, no work is done. Okay, so write down these three different conditions. You have to write first this diagram so that you can understand all this concept easily. See, here we have three different conditions. We are applying force from 0 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree. According to it, there are three values that we have to keep in our work done formula. So accordingly we are getting positive work done, negative work done and zero work done. Okay, so write down first, then we will move further. So now we will understand unit of work done. Okay, so unit of work, unit of work. So we know work done is, W is nothing but work done. It is the force into displacement. So work done equals to, the unit of force is Newton into unit of displacement is meter. Therefore the unit of work done is Newton meter. Okay, so here we have the unit of work done, it is Newton meter. Okay, so Newton meter is nothing but joule. हम न्यूटन मीटर, 1 न्यूटन मीटर को हम बोलते हैं जूल. Since न्यूटन मीटर इक्वल्स टू जूल, therefore unit of work, unit of work is joule. Okay, in CGS system it is in SI system. What is SI system? It is system international. Okay, now we have unit of work done in CGS system. It is erg. It is erg, which is the small unit as compared to the SI system. Its full form of CGS is centimeter gram per second. Okay, so in today's session we have already discussed about the type of work done on the basis of the applied force and displacement in an object. Then we have seen about the unit of work. Okay, so we have derived unit of work. So we have understood already unit of work in SI system as well as in CGS system. What is CGS? It is centimeter gram per second. Okay, so students, if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. And we are completing our today's session here itself. Okay, so we will meet in our next video. So bye for now.